Ka-Opus Jong Range Forest Officer Umsning Social Forestry Range, Haka Jintui Rengkar berkasain Joseph Academy of Nursing Umtreu Haka Step Jong Kasantrik Ujeleu, Kila Arke Kerpang Ika Sngi Jong Mariang, Lane Ka World Environment Day, Halor Ka Pang Solution to Beat Plastic Pollution. Haka Nika Sngi Nakaliang Ka Tnad Forest Kila Pelong Ika Jintung Ika Riding, Hasaudong Ka Shnong Umtreu, Bal Asyam Mentaru Ika Jipun Kuit Ika Wa Umtreu, Bat Tamru Ika Plastic Ika Panjaklia Ika Saudong Saukun Jong Ika Shnong. Bat habawai jong ketika program nakaling ki officer jong ketanat fishery department kila pelaj iki sampai dok ha wa umtreu. Haka ni ka Sngi lawan ban shibun talang dok menteri ke jelab badipej ka animal husbandry and veterinary department uba elhek ku mukongsan haka jintor rengkat uba bijolingdo MFS division forest officer North Kasihil social forestry division Ribuai district kakong M Kongjiliu superintendent of fishery department Ribuai district kakong Birani principal ka St Joseph Academy of Nursing ki kena pule ka St Joseph Academy of Nursing uba S dingdo orang bat shnong umtreu ki seng samla shnong umtreu seng longkumi bat kiwe ki rupat ba.
Streams and rivers, through the conservation of life, which is fish, you can understand that there's a lot of pollution that cannot happen into that stream. So what we believe is when we start conserving the life in streams, we start understanding that if there is no life in water, that means that water in itself cannot be consumed by a human being. So if streams are choked with plastic bags and with these microplastics into the systems, you can imagine the kind of pollution that comes into our bodies, into our homes. We are, as you know, you are all students of science. How much percentage of water is there in our own body? How much percentage of water do we have in our body? 75. And think, if 75 is made out of water and we are choking that water with plastic, how much more are we choking our lives and our systems with those microplastics? So I take this opportunity to thank Barbie Joy, and I was ready to bring the team because I was so passionate to hear that we would come together. This platform right here, if you see in the panelists here standing right here, I was just sitting and thinking, what do I talk about? And then it came to me that you have a member representing the community who is ready to act. You have a member who talks about, who is concerned with human health, okay? You have somebody who is concerned with the environmental health, and you have somebody who talks about the river and the water health. Now what you have is, you have then a leader who talks in legislation and comes up with policies and comes up with laws to tie all of these up together to work for the environment, and we make the strongest fist to act for the environment.
The 2nd of May. We all are friends of the 25 delegations. We went to Bhutan. You not believe when we went to Bhutan, I took one tree from Meghalaya to plant one tree on my birthday at Bhutan. So that is called a self-awareness. Any one of you, your birthday, your parents' anniversary, or any anniversary, you can plant one tree to protect the mother earth. Kumno paniada ika meron na ujongi. It will come ika self-awareness. That is we need in our life. But create awareness. Today we are giving awareness to all of you. What important is the self-awareness. Lagi practice, how we are practice ourselves. Kumnungi practice. I have taken the tree from Shillong to the overseas, being to plant one tree plantations there at the Buddha Mount. When we Buddha Mount, we tried out beautiful Buddha Mount. I got an opportunity, and thanks God that God has sent me, took me there, and we have planted a tree. This is called the self-awareness. Before we give awareness to everyone, but very important in our life, in a day-to-day life, we have to have an organized in ourselves. But beautiful thing which we have done today is we have started our program dot at 9 o'clock, which we have already scheduled our time.